Hi guys. So first I want to do a end-fired convig using two Fulcrum Acoustic CS121 passive cardioid subs. I took some pictures, so here you can see the two subs and the four mics I used. So first I need to capture the sub 2, that's the one in the back, and sub 1 needs to be phase aligned to sub 2, and I'll use the front mic far field position for that. So let's capture sub 2 solo response, and after that I need to phase align subwoofer 1. So now I'll mute subwoofer 2 and unmute subwoofer 1. The phase trace on subwoofer 1 indicates it needs delay. Now first let's capture that trace for reference, and at 125 you can see that it's 180 degrees out compared to the phase trace of subwoofer 2. So 125 cycles has a period of 8 milliseconds, and 180 degrees of that would be 4 milliseconds. So I need to add 4 milliseconds of delay to subwoofer 1, the front sub. There you go. Phase trace is close, but we can do better. Just add a little bit of delay so that they are matching. And there you go. It's about 4.28 milliseconds of delay added to subwoofer 1, and now it's phase aligned to subwoofer 2. Let's capture this trace for reference. So sub 1 front mic far field, 4.28 milliseconds of delay added. Let's store this trace, and let's see if when I add subwoofer 2 I see addition at the front mic position. And there you go. There's about 6 to 8 dB, it's 8 or more, addition at the front mic position far field. Well, that's a good thing. I didn't have to boost anything or something, just by phase aligning it adds. Let's capture this trace for reference and move on. So this would be sub 1, 2 and some 4.28 on sub 1. Okay, store this trace, and let's move to the rear mic position, far field. Now I'll mute the front sub, the subwoofer 1, and activate the rear mic. That's measurement channel 4. Let's get the captured trace off screen. And there you go. This is the solo response of subwoofer 2 rear mic far field. And that will be in white. Let's capture it. Okay, store the trace. And now let's add subwoofer 1 and see if there is a reduction at the back far field. And as you can see, there's about, at 60 cycles, there's about 30 dB of reduction. And compare it to the store trace of the front mic, it's actually 30 to 33 dB reduction. Okay, that's cool. So I got addition out front and reduction in the back. Now let's take a look at the near field mics and compare them to the far field mics. So on the left side of the screen you'll see the near fields, and on the right the far fields. And I would be rather interested in the reduction at the back, so that would be blue on the near fields and white on the far fields. Let's take out the stored data register and the measurement strip. You can do that via hotkeys B and O. So on the far field there is a reduction at 60 cycles by about 30 dB, which is a nice result. And if you compare that to the near field mics, you can also see at 60 cycles reduction, but it's not going to be as deep. That would be about 13 dB. If you need more reduction in the near field mics, you need to play around with levels. Enjoy!